Well, guys, yeah, I was on Facebook and saw a post that if nobody was going to adopt him, they were going to put him in a shelter. So I responded to it, said, no, if nobody takes him, I'll take him. And this was the second post that they actually posted. They actually sent out trying to get, somebody to take him a year ago, and nobody did it. So the story on him, his name is Tucker. He's a 6-year-old tri-male Pembroke Welsh Corgi. He will be 7 this year on May 4th. He got blindsided attacked by a German Shepherd twice, and was showing aggression towards the other Corgi that they had. And, and there he's doing his business. And they had to do something. Tucker, come on. Get out of there. Come on. So we've had him for about a month and a half. Come on. Tucker, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get out of there. Tucker. He actually really is a very good listener. But when he tends to get into the woods... Tucker, come on. Tucker, come. Come on, Tucker. Come on, buddy. Attaboy, come on. No! Tucker! No! You gotta be kidding me, buddy. Come on. Oh, great. Oh, Tucker. Wonderful. Tucker. He actually listens very, very well. He's a very, very smart dog. So in the month and a half that we've had him, taught him quite a few tricks. So he can do circle both ways, he can roll over, he can speak, he can bark. He does this cute little howl thing in the morning. No, come on, this way. Yes. Hi, buddy. Doesn't need a lead. He does shows a little bit of aggression towards other dogs. We're trying to break him of that, so he can get a little bit used to my mom's dog, who is a puppy, who has very, very high energy. So I've noticed that if there's a dog that has high energy, that energy that dog has feeds off of him. Come on. Tucker. Attaboy. Come on. But they basically say it takes about 3 days for him to chill out, about 3 weeks to make a routine, and then about 3 months for him to actually really start opening up. He is opening up to us. He does have this... Hey! No! No! He does have this weird thing that he does to where when you're petting him, he kind of does this little chomp type thing, but he's not aggressively biting you. I don't know, got to break him of that. I don't know what that is. But he has a lot of energy, don't you, buddy? So I've been taking him for walks, getting rid of that energy, and he does seem to be calming down when he's getting rid of that energy. So the dog that he was, the other Corgi that he was with was 9. He is 6. So completely different energy levels. Yeah. I'm going to get hammered when I let you in and Tina sees you. Come on. Come on. But he's really turning out to be a wonderful dog. I'm so glad we got him. He would have not done well in a shelter. But you never know. I mean, this is the first time I've ever adopted a dog, so you have to be a little bit careful because you don't know what his breaking points are, because he's still cautious of us, rightfully so, you know. So, but I wanted to introduce, you'll probably see him more on the channel, so I wanted to introduce Tucker. Yeah, Tucker the Corgi. So maybe I'll be able to record one of his howls. So just wanted to introduce the little Corgi dog. You'll probably see him more on videos and stuff like that. So alright guys, take it easy. Peace.